Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to add bank account on Fiverr step by step. First, log into your Fiverr account if you already have it, or you can sign in. And there is also some option to join if you are totally new in this. Then go to your profile, and as you can see, a tab will be opened and there will be an earnings option. As I'm not a seller or a freelancer, so there is no option in mine, but it says become a seller. So you just need to click on your profile if you already have an account and you are already freelancing through Fiverr. So click on your profile, then click on earnings. Then if you scroll down just a little bit, you will find the withdraw option, and then you have to click bank transfer. And as for the step 4, add your bank account details securely and make sure everything is on top, and then verify with the confirmation email or code, and then that's it. Your bank is now connected. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell.